مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. Hello and welcome. I help students like you speak Arabic and not just learn about it. My mission is to help you get speaking Arabic and overcome all the obstacles and difficulties that are between you and fluency. Before we start, why don't you visit the link down below to get your free copy of the Levantine Lebanese Spoken Arabic Conversation and Phrase Book, free of charge. Check the link down below. Yalla, let's begin.
مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. Arabic Humanitarian Phrases and Vocabulary for Crisis Situations. عبارات ومصطلحات إنسانية للتعامل مع الأزمات. نازح, a displaced person. نازح in the masculine. In the feminine, نازحة. نازحة. In the plural, نازحين. نازحين. نازح, نازحة, نازحين. لاجئ, a refugee in the masculine. لاجئ. In the feminine, لاجئة. لاجئة. In the plural, لاجئين. لاجئين. لاجئ, لاجئة, لاجئين. مدني, a civilian. مدني. In the plural, مدنيين. مدنيين. مدني, مدنيين. مسلح, an armed person. مسلح in the singular. In the plural, مسلحين. مسلحين. مسلح, مسلحين. غارة, an airstrike. غارة. إجلاء, evacuation. إجلاء. إعلان حالة الطوارئ. Declaring a state of emergency. إعلان حالة الطوارئ. مركز إيواء, a shelter center. مركز is a center. إيواء means sheltering. مركز إيواء. In the plural, مراكز, centers. مراكز إيواء. خيمة, a tent. خيمة. In the plural, خيمات, or you can also say خيم. خيمات, خيم. خيمة, خيمات, خيم. بطانية, a blanket. بطانية. In the plural, بطانيات. بطانيات. بطانية, بطانيات. You might also hear حرام, حرامات. That's another common term. مواد غذائية, food supplies. مواد غذائية. مساعدات, which is the plural of مساعدة. And within this context, it means aid or assistance or supplies. مساعدات. مساعدات طبية, medical aid or assistance. مساعدات طبية. إسعافات أولية, first aid. إسعافات أولية. مكان آمن, a safe place. مكان آمن. فريق إنقاذ, a rescue team. فريق إنقاذ. جريح, an injured person in the singular. جريح. جرحى in the plural. جرحى. نقل الجرحى, transporting the injured. نقل الجرحى. قتيل, a casualty or a person who was killed. قتيل. قتلى in the plural. قتيل, قتلى. وصلنا للنهاية. إذا عجبكم الفيديو please اكتبوا لي comment. ما تنسوا تعملوا لايك أو share. We've reached the end. If you liked the video, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and share. شكرا ومع السلامة.
Are you ready to unlock the beauty of the Lebanese language? Introducing the Lebanese Mega Bundle, your gateway to mastering Lebanese spoken Arabic conversation. Whether you're a complete beginner or aiming for a higher intermediate level, my comprehensive courses have got you covered. No previous knowledge of Arabic is required. With the Lebanese Mega Bundle, you'll gain access to all levels of the program, from the very basics to advanced conversations. Plus, you'll even get access to future courses. And the best part, you can get it all for a one-off discounted price. That's right, unlimited lifetime access to my vast library of resources and the largest online course and resource platform specialized in Lebanese language learning. Worried about support? Don't be. With direct support available via the chat button during UK working hours, you'll never feel alone on your learning journey. So how does the online self-paced program work? It's simple. We all know that mastering a language takes time and effort. That's why I've packed the Lebanese Mega Bundle with everything you need to succeed. With over hundreds of hours of learning content, you'll have the resources and time necessary to achieve a near native level of fluency, which requires a minimum of 2,600 hours. Say goodbye to limited and overpriced or unverified online resources. The Lebanese Mega Bundle provides you with the largest online library of courses, quality videos, audios, flashcards, checklists, suggested activities, and study plans. You'll have downloadable written resources at your fingertips. From vocabulary to grammar, reading comprehension to conversation skills, you're covered. And to top it off, I've included a selection of interesting stories for you to savor. Need assistance? It's just a click away. If you have any questions or require support, simply use the chat button for help. If you require further one-on-one support and course feedback, as well as speaking practice, you can opt at any time to join my private Inner Circle Telegram study and support group for a minimal monthly fee, available only for the Lebanese Mega Bundle students. A safe and supportive, friendly space where you can practice your Lebanese and get personalized feedback. You can also book for discounted conversational online lessons, but remember, commitment is key. These self-paced and online courses in the program offer flexibility, control, and easy access to a wide range of resources. However, true progress requires effort and study hours. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting language learning journey? Enroll now in the Lebanese Mega Bundle and unlock all courses to start speaking Lebanese Arabic and to achieve your communication goals, whether it's chatting to family members in Lebanese or traveling to Lebanon or simply learning colloquial Arabic. Visit the website and join today. The Lebanese Mega Bundle awaits you. What do members who have bought the course say? Mitchell from the USA says, if you desire to be inspired to learn Levantine Arabic, please sign up for the program. If you examine the amount of material and support provided in relationship to the very reasonable cost, you will see what a grand bargain it is. It's very inspirational and friendly too. Rosie from Mexico says, I've utilized many methods of learning Lebanese Arabic, and Angela's courses are by far the best.